Hey everyone, in today's video, we're showing you how to change your display name. First of all, open the Snapchat app in your mobile phone. And click on Profile button, located on the top left corner. Now, click on a Settings button in the top right corner. Under My Account, you should see an option labeled Name. Tap on Named. Now, you'll see a text field with your current display name. Tap on the text field and delete your current name. Now, type your new and awesome display name. Once you're happy with it, tap the Save in the top right corner. Snapchat will confirm the change. Now, your friends will see your new display name on their chats and snaps. That's all you need to do to change your Snapchat display name. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.
And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below.
To see more videos about Snapchat settings, click on the Snapchat playlist that appears at the end of the screen.